Hey guys, Hanzo here. I apologize for the little raspy voice. I am a little bit sick. And yeah, so today I have Apink's Pink Luv album. This is their latest mini album, and this is also my first Apink album too. Yep. So here's the front with Namjoo, Chong, Naeun, Bomi, Inji, and Hayoung. Hayoung being my favorite. So the album is called Pink Luv, and here's the track list on the back. Oh, so they have the single for the subgroup in this. Okay. So Lowen and A Cube. The folder card back, and let's wait for the focus. And okay, and here's the CD, Pink Luv. It's pretty nice, right? And I don't know how to do this because the folder book is pretty big. I'll do other close. Flip open, so we have again the track list. A little bit focus. There we go. They have Good Morning Baby practice again. Okay, the girls. The zoom up version. Sorry about the lighting. And lyrics to love. There we go. And then Inji and get her eyes. I'm still trying to familiarize myself with the girls. Next to one. Oh, this is the name of the box. This is Bomi and Naeun. And this one, yeah, this is it. Oh, Chong and Namjoo. And lyrics for Secret. And Hayoung and Inji. So pretty. And lyrics for, oh, I don't know the song. I'm still working on my Korean, so I don't really know how to pronounce anything in Korean yet, or read anything in Korean, per se. I need to get translations for that. All 6 of the girls asleep. And the instrumentals for Love, so obviously there's no lyrics. Yeah, this is the Good Morning Baby song from a previous release, I think. I think the song was released before it was a single. I think I can't remember because I have it. I have it on my MP3, and I had it before the album was initially released. So I don't know if it's just a repackage for that song. And this is where the costumes get a little funky looking. I don't mind it, but I just don't like. It's not my cup of tea. At least they put in Hayoung in something like presentable, and I like it. So not in Hayoung. Oh, come on camera, focus today. This is a really big album, to be honest. The little matinee. So, as you guys know, like most of my boxes tend to be the matinee. For mostly girl groups, it's usually the matinee. the exception being Girls' Generation, where my bias is actually Jessica, who left, but since she left, it's now Yuna and Tiffany. Sexy Charm. So Charm is usually seen as like the cute one, but when she wants to be sexy, she will be sexy. So they have a close up in a little bar, and Namjoo. I wish I had a bigger tripod, but I only have that mini tripod that you use on your desk, so that's why I can't really fit the album into each shot. This is the picture for the cover picture. I think this one was from the MV. No, I think this was the live stage one. I can't remember. What is caution for the live performances. And I know this video is dangerously long, and you guys really want to see who I got. But whoever makes it through this entire video, kudos to you. Also, if you guys stay to the ending of this video, I have a little announcement to make. So yeah. Black screen while I'm at it. It's a nice folder book though, don't get me wrong. This is a very nice folder book. And all 6 girls again. So we can't fit this long to the screen. And then cover and the credits. So for the full card, because I had to put it all the way back there, I had to use my college ID for the cover. You guys can probably tell from the signature who I got. And yep, I got Namjoo. So this is technically up for trade for Hayoung, unless my girlfriend posts it and I'll give her this, but this is up for trade for Hayoung. And before I end the video, I am selling my EXO Overdose album, the Korean version of course. So this is the EXO Overdose album. There's no photo card with this because obviously I pulled my favorite, so I'm going to keep him. But yeah, the album itself is in mint condition. Nothing's been damaged. CD's only been played like once or twice. So message me offers or leave comments in the comment section below. I will respond to both. And yeah, so this is actually running alongside my eBay ad, so yeah, just message me with offers. If you guys are from Canada, then I'll charge you just $10 plus $2-3 shipping. But if you're international, I will charge you a little bit more, depending on how heavy this will be at the post office. And otherwise, I'll thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.